Shakeout, a detox company, has launched Dermatonic herbal product to beat down cough and flu in schools. This happened at Protea Hotel, BNI Uganda meeting point.
School children continue to battle persistent cough and flu conditions that disrupt their concentration and classroom performance in most parts of the country. In response, Shakeout Detox Company has introduced Dermatonic, a herbal remedy intended to help learners stay in school despite these common illnesses. The founder of Shakeout Detox Company, Doreen Nassali, explains that after visiting schools and witnessing how cough and flu contribute to high absenteeism, she was inspired to make the concoction. Nassali expressed her ambition to extend this solution to more schools to help reduce medical expenses for both parents and school owners.
The reason as to why we are going into schools because we are passionate about our children's health, because the children are the founders of this world. When the children are not healthy, even us the parents, we are literally stressed.
Kayemba welcomed the initiative and encourage support for businesses that offer practical health-focused solutions.
She's presented and what she's put on the market is a unique product, a unique innovation that helps with cough and flu, which is a persisting concern not only nationally but also globally. So the Dermatonic addresses cough and flu, and it's a product that is changing how we are dealing with cough and flu, moving away from the conventional pharmaceutical practice of medication and going to the natural and more home remedy-based approach.
A user who attended the launch shared a positive experience with Dermatonic.
I am a client that has experienced Dermatonic. I have had children that have gone through the episodes of flu and cough over the years. It's because of the schools and the surroundings that we have at home where children play together, so it's very contagious. But with Dermatonic, it has helped us be able to help our children go through this treatment with Dermatonic in a very simple way. Most of the times when this flu is persistent, the flu and cough is persistent, children have to go to hospital and later given antibiotics. And yet antibiotics take quite a lot of time for them to heal and again also reduce their immunity. So
Okelo Charles Madid and Semambo for UBC.
Football, the Shakeout Queen.